Hey everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Roaman's credit card online. If you want to access your Roaman's credit card online and manage your credit card account, then watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box at the top type in c.comenity.net/Romans and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this page, which looks like this, you'll be able to see a sign in button popping up at the top of the screen. Give it a click in order to bring up the sign in area for your Roaman's credit card. Enter your username in the first text box appearing on the screen and head over to the password field and type in your password correct. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, click on this Remember Me box beneath, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared computer. If you don't remember your credentials, that is your username or your password, click Forgot Username/Password link in order to reset to a new password. After typing in your credential, click the Sign In button and you'll be able to log in and access to your Roaman's credit card online. That is how it can be quickly done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.